So this is Euro Pound analysis for Thursday, 13th of September. Now let's just have a look at prices doing. Price may likely go. So previously we've had prices break down beneath this 89.45, retested 89.45. We're unable to hold its support and see continuation towards that 89.80. What we did instead see was a breakdown towards this 89.14. Had a pretty sharp move down towards that 88.74. Didn't quite get there. Came within a couple of pips of that 88.74 before we had a somewhat bullish bounce, and we've gone into a greater consolidation in around this 89.14, where we have been stuck for a couple of trading sessions now on the euro against the pound. So if we do see a break and hold of this 89.14, possibly looking for a retest of the 89.45, previously in there we've encountered resistance, successful break from which we're then looking for price head up towards that 89.80. Now we should be aware of a 200 and 400 period moving average, depending on how long we do take to get towards that 89.80. Could have the 400 period moving average sitting pretty close towards 89.80, acting as a further confluence that does increase, and I could have seen sales have mid to come into the market from that level. And if we do see a breakdown from this consolidation, however, in alignment with the previous trend, and we have a series of lower highs indicating price momentum is to the downside here. So if we do have that difficulty and do see that breakaway from that 89.14, we're looking for price head down towards that 88.74. Previously in there we did see bullish buy side momentum come into the market. If we are successful in breaking that 88.74, the very next level of note here to the downside is a move down towards that 88.51 here on the euro against the pound. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices developing on the euro pound. We can scaling on there, correct. As we can see, we're in a bit of an uptrend here on the euro pound. Slight to have prices increase. We did see greater volatility increases. Had a bit of a megaphone pattern develop here on the euro against the pound. Saw the break to the downside. We encountered difficulty in holding above this 924, very strong level from 2017. Also proved to be quite a strong resistance here in 2018 as well. And more recently, as we can see, we saw the accelerated momentum away from this 9024. We've come down for a near perfect test of that 88.74. And we are seeing a bit of bullish buy side momentum come into the market now. The bullishness has not remained strong, as indicated by these pretty sizable wicks here to the upper end, showing that higher prices have been rejected recently. So there still does appear to be some sell side momentum overhanging this market. So we may see further pullback for possible true test of 88.74 for seeing that bullish buy side momentum. Now, if we do see continued sell side momentum, if we're not able to hold that 89.14, we do see that continued sell side momentum. From a daily chart perspective, very key level that we are looking at here is possibly a move down towards that 88.20, where we do have the 200, 400 period moving averages, as well as a very strong level in around that 88.20, where we did previously find support on quite a few occasions here on the euro against pound. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.